Hey guys, the view up here is absolutely beautiful. The sun looks kind of washed out because of the way the clouds are, but man, there's a light rain coming in. You got mountains all around. So we're sitting actually on top of a mountain in between like two valleys. It's kind of like where we're at. But I'm going to have my student hold the phone. I'm going to show you what a tire of 18 tires, just one tire, has caught in the last few days. So I can turn on this light. So the first thing we caught, which was seriously not that long ago, was a file. Okay, this big old thing was inside the tire, like whoop, went right in there like butter. Okay, this, and then same tire, same exact tire, right side, third axle, outside tire was this. And oh, I didn't even know if you realize this. Where this was and where the next piece of metal was only like 6 inches apart on the tire. Like seriously. Yeah, I was like, dude, that's where we patched the last one. And then this is a horseshoe nail. It goes into the horseshoe up like this. They clip off the top. This is where it was sitting in the horse's hoof. So there's some poor horse out there that needs a nail. I got a file and I got a hammer somewhere around here, so I can put his nail back in there. But yeah, so in a couple days we got a file, we got a horseshoe nail. Now we just have to get the whole horse in our tire and it will be set. Hopefully that's going to be the last thing we get before we drop this truck off, because man, that tire is getting patched quite a few different times. It's getting annoying. My phone is still, the power inverter is still not functioning correctly, so I'm stuck to using my phone to get videos uploaded in a timely fashion. But yeah, it is what it is. Now I am planning on purchasing something kind of cool, kind of interesting. But in the meantime, you're gonna have to stay tuned, watch my videos, subscribe, hit that subscribe, pound that subscribe button, and yeah, we'll be right at you. Have a good one. Look at that sky. Look at that sky.